Hello, traders. It's Andy from Trade Ideas, and it is Monday morning, May the 22nd. And market, after having a couple of good days, put in a little kind of pause day here. Pretty much a flat day. And actually, this morning we're probably opening up pretty close to where we went out on Friday. We'll see what happens. The same thing can be said about the Qs. Take a look at the Qs here. A more impressive move in the Qs with a little pause day on Friday. We'll see what happens. Maybe a little bit of a gap down there, but let's take a look at some setups today. Okay, I'm seeing about four that I really like. The CVAC, CVAC is looks like it's gapping up above this high right here. Very impressive chart. You had a big move, and now you're kind of been going sideways, holding this key 10-period moving average. Don't really would like to catch this earlier, but we'll keep an eye on it for a pullback, and that's CVAC. Another one is I'm watching this LI Lee Automotive out of China. China has been beaten up lately, but this stock has been holding up very well. You can see had a big move after earnings on this day, been going sideways, very similar to the last chart that I've seen you. And here's the rising 10-period moving average. Full disclosure, I am in this, but we'll see what happens. But a nice setup, relative strength compared to the China market and Lee. Tesla, another EV play, closed impressive move Friday and closed above its 50-period moving average. Look for a continuation move above Friday's high. And one last one is First Solar for those who like to buy big pullbacks. Massive move here. Crazy day, I remember it. And now we've pulled back to the moving average. We caught this 10. Look for a bar reversal on this First Solar. What I like about this, if it does break below that 10-period moving average, you're out. All right, have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.